Do anything illegal.
Yeah,
But
just be careful.
guys, put your camera inside your car. What's up, Adrenaline Squad? Welcome back to another video. Today we have Devashti sir. What's up? Long time no see. We have DJ.
Hi.
What's up? Yeah, and we have Umar uncle. Hello.
Hi.
So today, guys, we came looking for another rare sighting. So Umar uncle, which bird are we looking for today?
Yeah, we had come to see this black-capped kingfisher, and we have got it.
Yeah, it's
All of us.
right at the third pole. You see that? Somewhere around there. And yeah, this place is near the airport, so we have takeoffs happening right there. There's like a plane. You know, I'm just a flight away. You could take me back. So coming to the context of the video, the place where we went was Bettakore Amanakere. It's a lake right beside the Kempegowda International Airport, and yeah, the view was insane. So about the bird, the black-capped kingfisher, what makes it so sweet? What makes it, that we went all the way there to just see? It's usually located in China and those areas, Northeast India, China, Taiwan, etc., etc. And it's a very rare sighting that we saw it in Bangalore, but they usually migrate to the southern areas like Sri Lanka, etc., like that. And yeah, but in Bangalore, it's like the first time ever that we have spotted a black-capped kingfisher. Guys, we have ourselves a plane spotter.
Hello.
That's against the light, but yeah, this is better lighting.
Hello.
So tell me about you. What do you do? What's your hobby?
Well, I'm a plane spotter, and I essentially just chase planes. So I track them and take pictures and check the registrations, look at special liveries, and
Yeah, I'll put his Instagram link in the description so you can check it out. And yeah, don't do anything illegal. Because basically this area you can't take photography because they'll get to know.
Yeah,
but,
just be careful while plane spotting.
We're here with even bird spotting. We are like bigger cameras right there. Okay, see you, buddy.
See you.
Literally right next to Kempegowda International Airport, and yeah, lots of planes taking off. And I know you can't see me through this because the sun is completely above, but I'm gonna walk like this. I'm basically tow mater from cars, but I'm gonna take some plane footage as well. So the coming frame, it's all about planes. Guys, now we are going to another place. Where are we going, Umar uncle?
We're going to Hoskote Lake.
Hoskote Lake.
pretty
Nice.
far from here, 40
Mhm.
minutes journey.
Mm-hmm.
So there we are looking for bank swallows. Again, it's a rare bird
Mm-hmm.
which has been sighted recently.
Mhm.
So we are going to just have a glimpse of it.
Yeah. These planes keep on taking off. So guys, we are at that lake. It's right there, and we're looking for bank swallow. And yeah, we have DJ here. DJ कौन सा गाना बजाता है तो?
I usually play DJ वाले बाबू मेरा गाना बजा दे.
We going off-road. Damn. So Umar uncle, any luck? Okay. So we're searching for bank swallows in the okay, all flow, lol, nice. So basically the plan was find a bank swallow in a flock of barn swallows and streak-throated swallows. But it's like finding an imposter in among us, kind of sus. So basically they're like very similar to them, but they have that slight, you know, they have like a white throat, and it's hard to describe, but when you spot it in a camera or a binocular, you'd find that they're different. I'm basically chilling with the AC here. It's hot, just like me.